Every year, thousands of business owners miss out on one of the biggest tax breaks available, and it's called Section 179. If you're buying or financing equipment for your business this year, this could save you thousands. Here's how it works. Section 179 lets you write off the full purchase price of qualifying equipment in the year you put it into service. That means even if you finance your equipment, you can still take the entire deduction now while making payments over time. It's one of the smartest ways to preserve cash flow and reduce your tax bill. Now, you might have heard, don't finance, just pay cash. But the truth is, financing keeps your capital free for things like payroll, marketing, or unexpected expenses, while still letting you claim that same full deduction. If you've been waiting to upgrade your equipment, don't wait until year-end. The equipment must be placed into service before December 31st to qualify. At TrueCore Capital, we'll help you get the financing you need and make sure you don't leave money on the table this tax season.